Hi, this is Max, and this is a quick overview of the PullOut Widgets plugin for WordPress version 2.0. You can view the live demo at simplerealtytheme.com and just go to plugins and you'll find the PullOut widgets. And you'll see all these widgets in action. So anyway, let me go to my demo server and or development server, and I'll show you what's new and how things work. First of all, I have added a whole bunch of new features. Let's actually jump into the widgets dashboard. Alright, and let me highlight first that I created an additional sidebar that will appear throughout the theme on all pages. As long as your theme is utilizing the standard API function WP underscore footer, and this sidebar should appear throughout the website. Very often, well, not very often actually, on some themes I noticed some themes actually taking over the sidebar management with a custom type of plugin, or sometimes there is a difficulty to display PullOut widgets in the regular sidebars. Majority of my clients don't have that problem, but some do. Still, PullOut widget can be created from any widget in any sidebar. But if you run into a problem that it doesn't simply work, then I will recommend you to drag your PullOut widgets into this PullOut widgets container and work with this container. This container should not affect your theme or layout. It's simply, it just shouldn't. It doesn't have any content. And all of the PullOut widgets are going to appear behind the page, and only tabs should be visible like these. So the container itself is not going to be appearing anywhere on the page. Anyway, let's take a look into the settings. First of all, I changed the little link PullOut options, made a button, and then I took the turn PullOut on from the PullOut options dialog and put it directly into the widget, so users could quickly identify which widgets are actually pullouts and which are not. When we click on the button, a settings dialog will pop up, and it will have four sections. And these are pretty much the same sections as we had before in the version 1 and up until 2.0, but now I have the accordion and divided everything into the sections. We have the positioning on the side of the screen. It can be left, right, top, bottom. The actual location, the position in pixels or percentages along the side, and you can make your widget scrollable with the page. When you scroll the page, the widget will be scrolling, or it's going to be static by default. The probably most exciting thing is the behavior. First of all, let me say that I have 32 easing effects, which is the sliding effects. And when we go here and click on this, see it bounces out. It's one of these ease out bounce effects. But you can play with this and pick whatever you want, and it will work. Sliding speed is now set in milliseconds, so you can be as precise as you wish. And sliding triggers, now I added 6 more triggers to on click and on mouse. I'll go over this in my next video because I have only 5 minutes to finish this one. I also added some new colors to the style, so you can actually change colors not just for the background, but also border color, text color within the widget, and link colors. We still have the options for the trim as rounded corners and borders, and I added a new option, tab offset, in the PullOut tab, and open and close labels.